Joel of the Radio Flyer Diecast YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. He provided a summary of the build. According to Joel, before I even saw the boxing video, I had been mulling over using the idea of a post-apocalyptic West Side Story theme for the challenge build. 2 gangs, sharks versus jets, a law officer. Then I saw the shark cruiser go into the box, and the die was cast, so to speak. When I started sorting through the castings, I began thinking West Side Story meets Blade Runner, which would justify building flying cars, so I thought I would be going kind of cyberpunk with the builds. As I proceeded with the builds and saw the rounded, more organic shapes some of the cars were taking, I shifted to more of a West Side Story meets the Fifth Element vibe, and I started thinking of it as more biopunk. The Sharks, Bernardo, the leader of the Sharks, began with one of the untitled Hot Wheels castings that I later discovered was named Speed Shark. How appropriate was that? The Speed Shark was combined with the Hot Wheels Shark Cruiser that came in the box. Pepe, Bernardo's second in command, began with the Hot Wheels Scupa de Fuego casting. It was combined with another Shark Cruiser casting that came from my collection. The Jets, Riff, the leader of the Jets, began with another of the untitled Hot Wheels that I later learned was named Power Rocket. It was combined with wings from another untitled Hot Wheels casting that I later learned was called Vampira. Ice, Riff's second in command, began with an untitled Chinese casting, possibly a Yapming, of a stylized formula car. It was combined with a Micro Machines X-Wing casting. For Officer Krupke, I started with a Hot Wheels shoebox. I selected this casting from my collection because I liked the idea of the 50 Ford being part of the 50th Silva challenge. I also thought the rounded shape tied in well with the style of the flying cars in the Fifth Element. The Armadillo was the first build I started and the last one I finished. When I saw the green motorcycle going into the challenge box, I decided I had to find a way to use it. When the tracks from Time Rider went into the box, an idea started to form. The little Audi keychain became the tail gunner's position, and the nerve hammer donated the windscreen for the driver's cockpit. Although I did not initially consider this vehicle to be part of the West Side Story meets the Fifth Element theme, after rewatching the Fifth Element after the build was complete, I could see its organic shape fitting into that universe. I love these builds, Joel. I love the theme that you used for it. They all fit the theme so well. But I have to say, out of all of them, the Armadillo, just there's something about that I absolutely love. And let me add on to this. After Joel completed the build, he actually sent me Officer Krupke and the Armadillo castings that he did. So I have those here with me now. And it was a total surprise. I'm absolutely thrilled. It was just wonderful work, Joel. Everybody check out Joel's YouTube channel and Instagram page. There are links to that in the description for this video. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. Thanks for taking the challenge, Joel. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.